Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First for all, let we tell to our God Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has given us a mercy and blessing us until we can meet together in this competition. Rahimakumullah. And also salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad, who has brought us from darkness era to the lightness era, from Jahiliyah era to the Islamic era in Siratal Mustaqim. It is a honor to stand before of you today to speak that significant role in shaping our life, our attitude. Attitude is more than the way of thinking. It's the lens of thought, how we view the world. It is determined how we respond life with challenges and opportunities. A positive attitude can transform our life when we approach situation with optimism. It's open the door to possibilities. Challenges become opportunities to grow and failure to turn invaluable lesson. A positive attitude is not about ignoring problems, but it's about how we facing them with resilience and hope. On the other hand, a negative attitude can hold us back. It limits our potential and make even small obstacle seem insurmountable. While we cannot control what happened to us, we can make a choice how we respond, and the response make all the difference. Ladies and gentlemen, attitude is also affect how we interact with others. A friendly, a kind, and respectful attitude create healthy relationship, build trust with others, and build meaningful of relationship. Attitude not just that. When we doing something that have attitude, when we doing salah that have attitude, when we read Holy Quran that have attitude, when we eat something that have attitude, and when we want enter somebody's house that have attitude, like Allah say in Surah An-Nur in ayah 27. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tadkhulu buyutan ghairu buyutikum hatta nasta'nisu wa tusallimu ala ahliha zalikum khairul lakum la'allakum tazakkarun. I will translate the ayah. So that ayah will say to the all believer, don't you enter a house if that wasn't your house before you get permission, or you must give salam from the owner of the house, and what is great for you is always is great. The meaning of that ayah, when you want enter a house, if that wasn't your house, you must give permission or you must give salam to the owner of the house, and the maximal say salam is 3 times. Assalamu alaikum, Assalamu alaikum, and Assalamu alaikum. If the owner was answered Wa alaikum salam, that's mean we can enter the house. But if the owner was not answered, we must leave the house. Why? Maybe he busy, or we will disrupt him, or another. We don't know. In the contrast, an arrogant or divisive attitude can alienate those around us, no matter how we talented or intelligent we may be. Take for the example, successful leader and innovator. What that set them apart is not about just their skill and knowledge, but their attitude, their belief with themselves and their team. They remain open new ideas and inspire others to do the same. Developing the right attitude is self-awareness and effort. It's mean in how we reflecting and act, being willing to change and surrounding ourselves by good influence. It's about gratitude, what we have to determination, and approve what we can. Ladies and gentlemen, in calculation, attitude is a choice, and this is the one of powerful tools we have. By cultivating the right attitude, we can build meaningful of relationship, with healthy relationship, and create trust with others. By cultivating the right attitude, we can approve what we can. So let us approve to the world. We can show to them about our attitude. Let's inspire others with our attitude. So this is my speech. If I have a mistake, please apologize me. I end with salam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.